morning everyone. I am here with the maths video, and in maths video today we are going to start with a new topic, that is subtraction. Okay, for this you need to take out your maths book and be ready with it. Fine. So students, before directly starting with the topic, I would like to know that how many of us like to shop. Almost all of us, we all are fond of shopping. We like to shop almost everything, right? So whenever we go for shopping, which is the most important thing? The most important thing is money. Without money, we can't buy anything. Am I right? Great. So students, now you must be thinking that why ma'am is talking about all these things? I am talking about all these things because the topic which we are going to start today plays a very important role in this, in shopping, right? Whenever we are going for shopping, we take some money and we know that if we are going to buy any product or any article or any item, we have to pay for that. And for that, we should be aware about the mathematic terms that are addition, subtraction, right? These are the common things that a person should know by heart, that how to add the numbers, how to subtract the numbers. Am I right? So these are the most general topic, but the most important topics of the subject mathematics, right? All the things revolve around these 2 or 3 things only, right? So as we were talking about shopping, so just suppose we are going for a shopping today, okay? And who all are going for shopping? There are 3 students, those who are going for a shopping today: Seema, Rohit and Riya. Okay, they are going to buy some articles. So to buy those articles, what do they need? They need money, right? And if, just suppose, if they don't know about how to add the numbers and how to calculate the total amount that they need to pay, so someone can make fool of them also, right? So students, it is very important to understand these topics. Okay, we should be very much aware about the addition, the subtraction topics of the mathematics. So of all those topics, today we are going to start with the most important, that is subtraction today. Okay, so I think we all are ready for that. Great. So students, in your book we are going to start with the jump start. What we are going to start? We are going to start with the jump start, and here is the question where it is written that there are 3 children. Number 1, Seema, Rohit and Riya. They are going to a cycle store. Where they are going? They are going to the cycle store to buy some items. Okay, nowadays our safety is also very important for us now. Whenever we are playing, we are cycling, we are doing anything, we have to think about our safety also. Okay, so they went to a cycle store to buy few items. The prices of the items are shown here. Okay, so these are the things, these are the items which are already shown in your book. First one is the helmet. What is the cost of the helmet? It is rupees 124. Second is another one helmet. The cost of this helmet is 256. The next one is a bell. Okay, what is the cost of the bell? It is of rupees 31. Now the next is a cycle. What is the cost of the cycle? The cycle cost is 1143. Next is a toy scooter. What is the cost of the toy scooter? It is 1051. And the last is a musical buzzer that you all like to have in your cycles, right? A musical buzzer that cost rupees 58. Okay, so these are the items which are already shown along with their price in the book. Okay, so here 3 questions have been asked. So we are going to read those questions and we are going to try to find out the answers of those questions. Are we ready? So the very first question is that Samira buys a cycle for her son and a toy scooter for her daughter. So as we know, Seema, Rohit and Riya have gone for the shopping, right? So the first question is regarding Seema, that Seema is going to buy a cycle for her son and a toy scooter for her daughter. And what we need to find out? We need to find out the total cost of these 2 items. So first of all everyone, here we can see what is the cost of the cycle. The cost of the cycle is rupees 1143, which I have written. Okay. Now the second thing she bought was a toy scooter. And the cost of the toy scooter is 1051. We need to find out that what is the total cost of these 2 items. So remember that the total means add. Total means add. So we are going to add these 2 numbers. Okay. We are going to start from the ones place, then tens, hundreds and thousands. So 3 in your mind, 1 on your finger. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now tens place, 4 in your mind, 5 on your finger. So we are going to count from 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the total is 9. Now hundreds place, 1 in your mind, 0 on your finger. 0 means nothing. 1 plus 0 is 1. Thousands place, 1 in your mind, 1 on your finger. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the total cost of the 2 items? 2194. Okay, now let us come to the next question. And the next question is regarding Rohit. Now let us see what Rohit has bought. Rohit buys a red and a yellow helmet. What is the difference between the cost of the 2 helmets? So what did he bought? He bought a red helmet and a yellow helmet. Okay, he bought both the helmets, but here what we have to tell is that what is the difference between the 2 costs. Okay, so wherever there is a word difference, wherever there is a word difference, we always do subtraction. We always do subtraction. Okay, so remember that whenever we do subtraction, we always put the first number, which is the greater one. Okay, first we will write the greater number and then we will write the smaller number. So first of all, let us find out the cost of both the helmets. The red helmet is of 124 rupees and the yellow helmet is of 256 rupees. Okay, and the cost of yellow helmet is more than the cost of red helmet. So we are going to write down the number 256 on the top. Now we are going to subtract the cost of red helmet, that is 124. 4. Now let us find out the answer. As we have already learned that whenever we solve any sum, we always start from the ones place. So on the ones place we have the number 6. 6 in your mind, and from that we have to remove 4. 6 minus 4. 4 fingers we need to open. Now we will do the back counting. Okay? 6, 5, 4, 2. What is the answer? The answer is 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Now 5 in your mind, 2 on your finger. Again back counting. 4, 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Now the next number is 2 minus 1. So 2 in your mind, 1 on your finger, back counting. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the difference between both the price? The cost of the yellow helmet was 256. The cost of the red helmet was 124. So the difference between both the prices is rupees 132. Now the next question and the last question is regarding Riya. That what all things Riya bought? Riya buys a musical buzzer and a bell, and we have to find out that how much does she cost for both the items. Okay, so the cost of the buzzer is 58 rupees and the cost of the bell is 31 rupees, and we have to find out that how much will she pay for both the items. That means what we have to do? We have to add the numbers starting from ones place. Ones, tens. So now the number on the ones place is 8. 8 plus 1. 8 in your mind, 1 on your finger. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now tens place, 5 in your mind, 3 on your finger. 5 plus 3. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So for these two items, she has to pay 89 rupees. Got it, everyone? With this, our jumpstart is over. I hope all of you have done these 3 questions. Great. So now students, we are going to end our video here. Kindly complete your work and fill the table given below on page number 156. Bye everyone. Take care.